What's up, YouTube? I've been wanting to shoot a little walk around video of my FJ60 for a while now. I'm gonna go to the beach, shoot it somewhere a little more scenic. Uh-oh. There are a lot of beachgoers today. I'm a little scared about this bridge, man. So let's see how she does. A little scared, honestly. But I'm just gonna keep the pedal down, man. Losing some speed, but not too bad. I think I might have to downshift and brake up here, because my brakes aren't that great. But, uh-oh, someone else is having trouble. Good idea, Johnny. Going to the beach. No one else thought of that on this beautiful summer day. All right, I'll check back when I'm actually on the beach and then do the actual video. Did not expect this. It was empty the last time I was here, so I don't think I'm gonna do a Land Cruiser walk around video today. Let's consider this just a weekend trip to the beach in my Land Cruiser video. I didn't show the standstill traffic for literally miles down the road of people trying to leave, so I think I'm stuck here, but hey, it's a nice day. I'm gonna catch some rays, I guess. Well, I parked next to this Jeep XJ. Guess I can give a quick little walk around. There she is, the dude, my '84 FJ60. I bought it about 8 months ago, I believe, with no engine and stock height. Put a 2F out of an 83, I believe, into it. Bought it on I Hate Mud. Shaved the head 70 thou, completely desmogged it, mana-free pulley, new Aizen water pump, city racer carb, all sorts of trick stuff was done to it, and it's pretty awesome. Has some fresh Old Man Emu medium springs, HFS 1.5 inch lift shackles, all new Bilstein 5125 shocks, Old Man Emu stabilizer, all new Old Man Emu bushings, Cruiser Outfitters hardware, FJ62 mirrors. I love it. So there's your quick little walk around. I think I'm gonna do more beach cruising, try to get more pics of it here, you know, get my time's worth. But I don't know, this thing's super rad. I've been dailying it and just enjoying the heck out of it. Oh, that's locked, but see in there, I mean, it's pretty cool. So do a little more beach cruising. New oil cooler. Totally resealed the engine with all OEM gaskets. Blanking out, but I did a lot more stuff to it too. I don't know. Just enjoy the Texas beach. It's not that great, but hey man, it's what we have. What are you doing, guy? What are you doing? Oh, you got your spot. One of the benefits of so many people being out here is I don't have to worry about The sand's super compacted, but yeah, it's a lovely day. First time the dude has been on the sand. So I'm gonna turn up the Ween. Later, dudes.
Looking for a ticket to take me away from here. Bananas and blow. Bananas and blow. Stuck in my cabana, living on bananas and blow. Bananas and blow. Oh, bananas and blow. I'm stuck in my cabana, living on bananas and blow. Bringing it all together, doing it on my own, walking hand in
beautiful day. It doesn't matter that I've been overlanding or rock crawling for over an hour. I just wanted to grab a fish taco, dog. But can't be mad. Listen to some Ween, driving a nostalgic Japanese 4x4. Life is good.
But you love me just the same. And if you really love me, baby, help me scrape the mucus off my brain.
Almost home free, brother. Here's the bridge. Phew.
The sun comes up and I'm all washed out. Is this what Diener was talking about? I don't think I will ever return again, my friend. If I was king, I'd wear a ring and never hurt my people. I'll stay alert and dress to kill. I might even slip you something new. The sun comes up and I'm all washed out. Is this what Diener was talking about? I don't think I will ever return again, my friend.
Come on, people, don't be stopping on a bridge. You put her into second.
Sun comes up and I'm all washed out. Is this what Diener was talking about? I don't think I'll ever return again, my friend. I do not think I will ever return again, my friend. I do not think I will ever return again, my friend.
Well, boys, we're over the bridge, so I guess that means I'm most of the way home. So I can stop documenting my beach trip now. I didn't mean to document the beach trip, actually. It's just that I wanted to go film the cruiser, do a little walk around, and I figured the beach would be scenic, and I live 15 minutes away, so no big deal, right? Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, as derailed as it got. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more Yoda content, because I have plenty more of these things that I need to do videos about. But this is just the dude's first video, you know, where it's the star of the show, but won't be the last. Later. The dude is back home, and honestly, it did great. I mean, I did not expect to encounter 2 hours of traffic, but no problemo for it. Stayed happy, so I'm happy. That'll wrap this video up. Thanks, y'all.